Cryptocurrency will change human culture and create new trillion-dollar industries, but only when it's done right. Currently, cryptocurrency is only used for speculative trading with severe price volatility and billions of dollars gained and lost. Cryptocurrency is unstoppable because it's a grassroots movement driven by the people to take back control of their money that has no single point of control or failure. It's bigger than the personal computer and the internet combined because now we're talking about disrupting the current financial establishment. Cryptocurrency will mature and start reaching mainstream adoption when it has a genuine purpose with real utility. The successful cryptocurrencies of the near future will generate the majority of their buyer demand from real utility rather than from speculative trading. The cryptocurrency movement is worldwide with tens of millions of followers, but it's lacking a solution with real utility buyer demand. Until now. Nexxus Rewards is the real utility that cryptocurrency desperately needs. It is a unique and innovative solution that creates real utility buyer demand by delivering value to local communities worldwide that businesses need, want, and are willing to pay for. If you found this video interesting and you'd like to learn more, contact us directly to meet the management team and see how every shopping transaction creates buyer demand for Nexxus Coin. Nexxus Rewards is an innovative community cooperative that uniquely lifts the entire community and creates a win-win-win scenario for everyone with a sustainable revenue model and a real value delivery. Nexxus Rewards has its roots in a 15-year-old technology company that was founded by a former Microsoft senior technologist. It has a very mature technology platform servicing over 30 corporate clients in the direct sales industry with specific expertise in operations, marketing, sales, and training. Nexxus Rewards was founded by Bob Wood, a former senior technologist with Microsoft, where he designed, built, and managed distributed application architected systems for Fortune 500 corporations. He built financial and administrative systems as a systems engineer for electronic data systems. He also founded Shebang.com, a $200 million e-commerce company, as the first product search engine that was a predecessor to Google, Amazon, and eBay shopping. Mr. Wood founded Pinnacle Institute that provided marketing and technology consulting services to the direct sales industry for over 30 sales organizations. You can find out more about Bob's personal and professional background at www.whoisbobwood.com. Nexxus Rewards solves a critical problem for local small businesses. 20% of small businesses fail in their first year, 30% fail in year 2, and 50% of small businesses fail after 5 years. Nexxus provides the lifeblood of small businesses, new and repeat customers. Nexxus Rewards is a community cooperative program that lifts the entire community. Local merchants have a completely risk-free solution to get and keep new customers, and local organizations get a perpetual funding solution to support their important social causes. Merchants pay nothing until after they make the sale, and when they do pay, they name their own price. Merchants are asked to contribute only 2 things. Merchants offer a cashback reward percentage that fits their profit margins. A low-margin business like a grocery store or a gas station may only be able to afford 1 to 2%, and a high-margin business like a dry cleaners or a hair salon may be able to offer 15 to 20% off. Merchants also pay a small 1 to 5% marketing fee. Nexxus Rewards is affordable for everyone. Nexxus shoppers receive free shopping dollars by collecting and redeeming shared reward points from all Nexxus merchants, and they can support their favorite local charity in the process. The Nexxus viral marketing strategy rewards shoppers with more free shopping dollars for referring their friends and family. Nexxus Rewards provides charities and other organizations with a perpetual fundraiser that deposits cash automatically every week into their bank account. They don't need to buy or sell anything. All they do is support their local community by referring their members to Nexxus. Each group will build an infinity shopper network and earn 20% on unlimited number of referral levels. Nexxus provides a unique opportunity for charities to raise funds for their important social causes on thousands or even tens of thousands of shoppers in their referral network. Nexxus Rewards is targeted at small to medium-sized businesses in local communities worldwide. The major financial consulting firm Deloitte reported that there are around 29 million SMB businesses in the United States, representing over 99% of all U.S. businesses. Nexxus Rewards employs a professional direct sales force for the acquisition of merchants and organizations to create a critical mass of shoppers and merchants in local communities. Nexxus is projecting 10% of the target population, excluding children under 12 years old, to register as free Nexxus shoppers. The initial suburb of Plano, Texas will have at least 25,000 registered shoppers. The Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex will have 600,000 registered shoppers, and eventually the United States will have 28 million registered Nexxus shoppers. The Nexxus Rewards revenue projections are based on a 10% target market penetration, $100 average monthly spend per registered shopper, and a 5% marketing fee. The Plano market will produce $128,000 monthly and $1.5 million annually. The DFW market will produce about $3 million monthly and $36 million annually. And eventually, the U.S. market will produce about $140 million monthly and $1.6 billion annually. Nexxus Rewards' most prevalent competitor is Groupon, a publicly traded multi-billion-dollar company. Groupon was founded in 2008 in Chicago and did an initial public offering in 2011. Their market cap peaked at $17 billion in 2012 and is currently at about $2 billion. The Groupon value proposition to merchants has proven to be very weak, explaining their significant drop in valuation. Merchants are typically asked to offer Groupon shoppers a 50% discount off the regular price. Then the merchants must split the discounted revenue 50-50 with Groupon. Unfortunately, most businesses lose money at 25% of their normal revenue. And worse yet, most Groupon shoppers are deal jumpers looking for the next big Groupon discount. The stark reality is that Groupon provides no real customer retention for small businesses. The Nexxus Rewards management team has a unique combination of expertise, creating a significant barrier to entry. Nexxus has 60 years of information technology experience as a Microsoft senior technologist with mission-critical system architectures, working with Fortune 500 corporations. They founded a $200 million e-commerce platform for small businesses to sell their products and services on the internet. They provided technology, business, and marketing consulting services to over 30 direct sales companies. They provided loyalty marketing research and consulting for a German loyalty marketing company with over 100,000 sales agents. And they have over 5 years of technical and business expertise as an analyst, developer, evangelist, and public speaker on the power, potential, and virtues of cryptocurrency. Nexxus Rewards provides a very unique and innovative solution that is completely risk-free and affordable for any business to get and keep new customers. It has designed a community cooperative program to lift the entire community. Shoppers get reward points that are shared by all Nexxus merchants, and the Nexxus Rewards points can increase in value as the shopping network grows, exponentially creating buyer demand for the Nexxus coin that underlies the Nexxus Reward points. The most successful shared rewards program was SNH Green Stamps. At its peak, 90% of all American households were collecting trading stamps. Nexxus Rewards is raising $10 million to launch in the Dallas-Fort Worth market. Over a 24-month period, Nexxus estimates $250,000 for office and overhead, $1.5 million for administration staff, $5 million for sales staff, $1.25 million for advertising, and $500,000 each for marketing, public relations, industry conferences, and capital fees. For the capital raise, Nexxus is offering 50 million Nexxus coins for 20 cents each with a guaranteed minimum value of $1. 5 different ROI scenarios ranging from fairly conservative to aggressive projections provide a 5 times to 500 times return on investment. The first scenario is based on a Nexxus coin price of $1, which is the initial price in Nexxus Rewards for an ROI of 5 times. A coin price of $5 has an ROI of 25 times, and a $10 coin price has an ROI of 50 times. More aggressive projections of $50 and $100 coin prices, which are still well below the price of a similar utility coin Ether, can provide an ROI of 250 times and 500 times. The management team is comfortable with these realistic projections based on the precedent set by the Ether coin. The Nexxus management team is confident with its ability and potential to grow the multi-billion-dollar annual revenue. It also sees a significant opportunity for a successfully deployed Nexxus rewards to become an ideal acquisition target for a large online company like Amazon or Google seeking to expand the brands offline. For example, an Amazon acquisition and rebranding to Amazon Rewards would place the Amazon brand conspicuously in millions of businesses and local communities worldwide. Thank you for a few minutes of your time to view the unique and innovative Nexxus Reward Community Cooperative Program. Take the next steps to learn more about how you can capitalize on an industry-leading multi-billion-dollar potential solution.